guys, welcome back to my channel to Beauty, Health and Style. Guys, today's video I'm going to show you what I eat in a whole day on Whole30 diet, my breakfast, my lunch and my dinner. And this video is going to be very helpful for you if you're starting Whole30 diet or you are on Whole30 diet. And now it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, guys, and I'm so hungry. So today's video I will take you around what I eat in my morning breakfast, my lunch and my dinner. So let's get started. Guys, I'm having warm lemon water because this is very important to hydrate yourself, because 8 hours you're without any liquid. So hydrating yourself is very important when you do any kind of diet. And it's so refreshing in the morning to have your warm lemon water. So guys, it's time for breakfast and I'm so hungry, guys. Usually for breakfast I always like to have some smoothie or oats, but in the Whole30 diet you're not allowed to have any milk products. So I think I'm going to make some delicious omelette, veg omelette. So let's go in the kitchen and make that delicious veg omelette. So guys, I'm going to make my veg omelette. I've already cut my cabbage, my capsicum, a little bit mushrooms and my onions, and this all I have kept all ready for the whole week for my Whole30 diet, so it's easy whenever I make my omelets or any veggies. So let's, and I'll put my chopped onions and my mushrooms, and my capsicum, little bit cabbage and some carrots, and I'll saute them. Some tomatoes which I chopped already. I'll add the seasoning, pepper a little bit, and some salt to taste, and little bit chili flakes, and we'll transfer in the bowl. So now I've taken 2 eggs and now we'll beat it. I'll add some pepper into it and some salt, and we'll add some ghee now to make this delicious omelette. So now we will put the eggs in the fry pan. So now is the time to flip the omelette. Oh wow! And now we'll add this mushrooms and my veggies. Omelette is done. So guys, my veg omelette is ready and it looks so yummy. And I always love to add mushrooms, cabbage, carrots into it, and capsicum and onions. So I'm going to have my breakfast now, guys, and I'm really so hungry, guys. So delicious, guys, so delicious and so healthy. Mushrooms have so nice flavor. And guys, I always like in the morning oranges. I love oranges or some fruits to have with my breakfast. So I was carving for something, you know, juicy. So I always like to take orange with my breakfast. So I'll take orange also. You know, guys, when you have healthy, you know, breakfast, your body feels good and you feel so good in the morning, you know, to have a healthy breakfast. It's so important, guys. Guys, I'll finish having my breakfast, guys, and then guys, later on I will go to the gym after 1 hour, and guys, I will see you later on. Bye. I came for my workout. I really enjoyed doing my workout. I did my workout for 45 minutes and I'm feeling so good. And then I had my shower and now it's about 11:30 in the morning and I'm slight hungry. So for my snack, I'm just going to have some cashew nuts and almonds. And that's it for my snack. I love cashew nuts and almonds. I'm really hungry after a workout. You're really hungry. So I'll enjoy this cashew nuts and almond. And guys, I'll see you later for lunch. So guys, it's 1 o'clock now and it's lunchtime now. So today I'm planning to make some chicken salad. So let's go to the kitchen and make some chicken salad. So guys, now we're going to make some chicken salad. I already boiled some chicken and this is the breast piece which I boiled and it's 500 grams, so it's enough for the whole week I can use. And this is the salad I already cut. There's some cucumber, some lettuce, some carrots, and there is even some cabbage, so everything into it. So now we are going to make the chicken salad. So let's begin. So now we are going to add some chicken into it. And I already have a dressing which is Whole30 dressing proof, and in this there's olive oil with egg. So we are going to use this mayonnaise with this chicken salad. So I'm going to add some chicken into it. In my bowl, I'll just take a little bit chicken and the rest I can keep for the whole week. Some chicken and some lettuce, some cabbage, some carrots, so everything I put into it. So we'll add some pepper, some chili flakes to give it a little bit nice spice. And in this mayonnaise, we will add some lemon juice. And some pepper. And we'll just mix this, add this dressing into this chicken salad. And we'll just blend it all well. We'll add some coriander also. So I've taken some lettuce and this lettuce wrap. So we'll put the chicken salad inside the lettuce wrap. So this is how you can eat it. So yummy guys, and I'm so excited to eat this because I'm really hungry guys. So let me start having my lunch. Guys, this is so yummy guys. It's so delicious, so healthy, and the chicken flavor is so nice because I added pepper, lemon juice, and there's all the cucumber, lettuce, cabbage, carrots. It's so yummy, you know, it gives a very nice flavor with lemon juice, pepper, and I added coriander also, so it gives a beautiful and so healthy guys. I'm just loving it. I'm going to enjoy this yummy salad and I'll see you later. It's so yummy guys, oh my god. It's 5 o'clock in the evening and I want to have some bulletproof coffee. So I made my water very hot and now we'll add some coffee into it. So guys, I'm going to add my butter into it. Good, it gives a lot of energy to your body, so I'm just going to have this in the evening. Guys, this bulletproof coffee is so good. It gives your body a lot of energy. I just love having it. So I'm going to do some work guys in the meantime. So guys, it's dinner time now and it's around 7 o'clock. So today I'm planning to make something with chicken burger, but with chicken mince. And when I went for my workout, I really wanted to have something like a burger, you know. So I went to the market and bought some chicken mince also. So today I'm going to make some chicken mince burger. So let's go and make that chicken mince burger. I'm so hungry. So guys, today we are going to make some chicken mince burger for the dinner, and this is my chicken mince, and in this I'm going to add some onions, some coriander and some Indian spices. So let's start making this. So we'll add our onions now, which are already cut. And some coriander. And some salt to taste. And we'll add some chili powder to give a nice spice to it. And coriander powder. And some ginger garlic paste, which I already have. Mix it all together. So we'll mix it nicely. And now I'll add some turmeric, just a pinch of turmeric. So now we will just leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. And in the meantime, we will saute our spinach and our mushrooms, which I already washed and I've cut it. So just we'll saute with butter. Now we'll add some butter. And we'll add first the mushrooms. So now we will add the spinach. My salt, just a pinch of salt and pepper, pinch of chili powder. So this is sauteed and done now. So we'll convert in a bowl. So now we will make the patties in the round shape. Just take in your hand. This is like an Indian kebab also. You can make in this shape also. You can make any shape you like. You can make this shape. So this is like an Indian kebab. But I'm going to make the round shape. So I've added my olive oil. Now we'll put in the fry pan. So we will cover it now for a few minutes till it's done. So now we will flip it. Oh wow, it's come nice golden color. So we'll cook the other side. So guys, now it's done. So now we will take it off from the pan. So guys, my dinner is ready and I'm super hungry, and this looks so delicious guys. My chicken burger and some tomatoes, some spinach, some mushroom. So guys, let me give it a try. So yummy. It's super yummy. The flavor of onions and the coriander and the Indian spices and the ginger garlic, oh my god, it's so yummy. I'm just loving it. And the spinach with mushrooms is so good with the butter. When you saute with butter, it comes out so delicious guys. I just enjoying this dinner guys. I'm just loving it. So yummy and so healthy. It just took me about 25 minutes to make this whole dish, and it's super healthy guys. So guys, this was my video for today, what I eat in a whole day guys. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And I really enjoyed showing you this video guys. It was really fun showing you what I eat in the whole day on Whole30 diet. So guys, I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye guys, love you all.